Hi everyone, my name is Yifeng Liu, and today I'm going to talk about my Demo2 presentation, and my topic is payment app. So first, let's do a review about my Demo 1. First of all, is the problem. The problem I mentioned is Americans nowadays need not only credit or debit cards, but also cash to go out, which is very inconvenient. So I have a solution is that China has a famous payment app. It's Alipay. We can introduce this app to the United States and promote and publicize it in the United States so that people can pay more quickly in all aspects of their lives. So, and this is also the demo one. Demo one things. I have to do a simple compare. Is the payment app is broader than Apple Pay because it is not limited to your iOS user, and the payment app's security performance is higher than PayPal, and it is always timely and accurate in terms of payment verification and return notification. So we can see some advantages is better than Apple Pay and PayPal. So the problem I solved in demo 1 is how to embody the advantages in the same product, how to deal with no bank population, how to let the money of bank card and cash enter Alipay, and how to deal with the situation without network. If you guys need to have a look about this question, you can click this super link and it will link to my demo 1, and here is the full question. Okay. So here is the new progress of my project. So I think it is very difficult to convince American people of payment app from China. So I try to copy Alipay and put the spirit of Alipay in a local company trusted by the American people. I think it's Amazon. I thought long and hard about how to get Americans to use a payment app from China, and then I decided it was an unsolvable problem. Since no one dares to put all their money into a foreigner's enterprise, also people not there to put the card here. So I think the best way is to emulate Alipay's success and replicate it. Alibaba create Alipay. Alibaba is a very famous company. Chinese people believe Alibaba, so they believe Alipay because Alibaba is famous and rich. Alibaba's status in China is exactly the same as that of Amazon in the United States and even more in the Western countries. So we can make an Amazon Pay, which can not only facilitate the payment life of the American people, but also make the American people more comfortable to use the payment app for transactions and put money in the payment app. So here is the primary research of the payment app, and I sent it to 26 people, and now we have 26 responses. The first question is it inconvenient to carry cash when you go out or go shopping? We can see that the answer is obvious. Almost people don't like to carry cash when go out because it's actually inconvenient. And the second question is it inconvenient to carry credit card, debit card when you go out or go shopping? We can see there around 60% people think carry the card is also inconvenient, and there are around 40% people think it's okay. And then the last question is, would you rather go out with cash, a bank card, or a phone with an app that allows you to pay anyway, while keeping your property and the privacy safe? We can see from this problem, we can see that most people, if they know there is a payment app in your phone, can have your card, can have your money, then all of them will choose it. You can see that it's around 80% people choose the phone, choose the payment app, and there are around 15% people choose the card, and just a little people choose cash. Maybe some people just like cash, whatever. So yeah, let's do a research summary. The first is most people don't want to carry cash with them. And the second is, in contrast, more people are not willing to take their bank cards with them. And the third is, given the choice, it is common for people to take their mobile phones with them to make purchases rather than cash or bank cards. So, according to the primary research, people can still accept the payment app because it is really convenient. The payment app can not only store cash but also bind to bank cards, which makes people more selective in spending. And in the research period, I found that the Amazon Pay currently exists, but it's only available in the UK. So I think it's a good thing that people have realized the convenience of payment app and are constantly creating the impact of payment app. So I think this problem is very easy to solve as long as the American people are willing to accept. Amazon can launch American edition and promote Amazon Pay in every physical store in the United States. So, how to copy Alipay's advantages to Amazon Pay? Because we know I introduced the Alipay to American is because Alipay is actually more convenient than PayPal, Alipay, and some bank app. So Alipay's biggest stress are QR code payments and its stand-alone e-wallet. I think we can put these things into Amazon Pay and make Amazon a real payment app that can surpass PayPal and Apple Pay. With this function, Amazon Pay will surely replace cards and cash, greatly facilitating people's life. And here is some prototype I made for Amazon Pay. The first picture is the Amazon Pay logo in the App Store, and I put a red P here because I want people pay attention on the word pay. They will know this app is for payment. And you can see that here are two prototypes. The first is payment, scan, safe, and convenient. It's just a QR code. You can use this to pay something, and you can use this to receive money. And the second is just like a wallet page. In this page, you can see that you can add your credit card or debit card, something else. And here 4 black point is scan. It's scan QR code, and pay is also scan others QR code, and collect is means you can have your QR code to let other people to scan you to give money to you. And the fourth is pocket. Pocket is means you can put your money and your card here. You can find which card you have already bind and which card you have not binded. And that's all. Here's the works cited. Thank you.